Hermano mío. Ahí tiene. That's how it's sounding. Nice and quiet like it used to. I think it sounds a little better. It does have a little stumble. I think it needs spark plugs. Oh, the height adjusted. That's all the height. We matched it up. That's at the highest setting. He could go lower, I believe, but I'll ask him in a minute. And I'll send you the pic of the headers. Está lo más alto, quiere decir que si le puede bajar más todavía, ¿verdad? Se sube. Alright, so it can't go up any higher, but it'll go down. But we don't want it to go down. That's the header. It's nice and stable now. It's not jumping around, so that's a plus. It's raining. I can't floor it, but sounds good. You got it in the way and shit, but sound wise, woo, that's a nice pickup and go. Oh yeah. Alright, that's enough of that. Aquí vamos probando. Viejo, estás castigado, no puedes guiar, soy yo nada más. It's mine, it's mine. Pero se tiró el aguacero, no puedo hacer nada.